tell me, right, this cat isn't dead. Look at it. What's going on? What's going on? Look. Hello, catty. Hello, little boy. Woof. I feel you. I feel you. I thought, after seeing my cat and my dog, it's only fitting if I personally join them in the lying down process while I make this video. So you should also get comfy. Maybe grab a cup of tea, a cup of coffee, I don't know, whatever makes you, hot water or cold water, whatever it is that makes you feel comfortable, grab it, okay, and then we'll chill and we'll just talk. So in this video I want to explain how I managed to make money from YouTube when I had 0 subscribers. So overall from YouTube, still not being monetized, not from views, nothing like that. You have to have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours before you get monetized by YouTube, which basically means you can't make money from YouTube views like a big YouTuber can until you've gained the 1,000 subscribers and the 4,000 watch hours. So I haven't made money from that. That is not how I've made my money. I have made my money from affiliate marketing. I don't hide it. If you go into my description below, you'll see I affiliate products down there, and I even put a disclaimer that any link that you click on, if you buy a product or subscribe to whatever it is, I will make a small commission. And from them small commissions, I've made over £2,000, well over 2,000, probably closer to £3,000 at this point. And it's all within a year from affiliating products. So if you are thinking about starting YouTube and you worry about maybe the money side, and people that say, oh, don't start YouTube for the money, they kind of lying to you. Like, why else would you sit and record videos and create content if you're not getting paid? Like, if I'm working my 9 to 5 or I'm doing like 10, 12 hour days, 5, 6 days a week, I wouldn't also opt in to do this if there was no incentive there. And obviously money is an incentive, and I want to live a life where I can just go and do whatever it is I want to do. Let's move this down a little bit, get a bit more comfortable, and do whatever it is I want to do every single day and make money from something I love doing. I do enjoy doing this, but I would not do this if the incentive wasn't there, if there wasn't a potential to generate income from it. And I think that is exactly the same as how everyone feels. I mean, don't do YouTube just for the money. Like, if you don't enjoy doing this at all, don't do it. But if you do enjoy doing it and you do get some sort of kick out of it and you like sitting in front of a camera, like I personally do, I enjoy sitting here and just talking. And when I can do this full time, which I know I can, and when I can do this full time, this is my full-time income, my video quality and content will skyrocket. I have so many different video ideas, different plans with the YouTube channel that I personally can't do now working a normal job. So the incentive at the moment, the money incentive, is a big thing for me because I want to be able to quit my job, do this full time, and once I'm doing this full time, my content will be amazing. Like, trust me, the ideas I have and plans are just insane. Anyway, off that, I'm gonna make another video on that. Affiliate marketing. So very simply put, as I explained a minute ago, someone goes to your description, clicks on a link, purchases that product, boom, you make money. That's how I've done it, okay? Again, well over £2,000, closer to £3,000 at this point. Now here is how you can do it. How can you go out there yourself and start generating money from YouTube with 0 subscribers? Number one, and the best way I would say, is stick to a niche and promote a product in that niche, or have a product in the description for that niche. So, for example, let's say you're all about camera gear. Speak about camera gear, review camera gear, have camera gear linked in your description. People are going to go down and click it and buy from it at some point out there. And that brings me perfectly onto the next point: create a review channel. Now, I'm not a review channel, I'm more of a business, entrepreneurship, finance kind of niche. I don't even know really. I just enjoy talking to the camera, but that is where I'd put myself personally. If you genuinely want to create a lot of money from affiliate marketing and generate money from the get-go on YouTube, my strategy is not guaranteed, because I wasn't guaranteed to get these sales. It's just kind of luck, really. However, if you do want to do that and like you want to just start tomorrow and start possibly generating money tomorrow, create a review channel and review products on that channel. So again, whether that's camera gear, football gear, cooking equipment, anything, review it. People are interested, and technology is probably the best way to go, because people are always looking. Like, before you buy a phone, you might go and look at, reviewing iPhone 13. You create a small review on iPhone 13, have a link to the iPhone 13 in the description. People then go, oh, do you know what, I might click it, go in it, and then they might then buy that product. You get a 5% cut of £1,000. You made 50 quid already, okay? And I know I made it sound a lot easier than it is, because you need to get traffic to the channel, you need to get views, you need to get people to actually click on your description. You're moving, doggy. Hello. Yeah, cute little cutie. Yeah, man. So yeah, that is how it works. That is exactly how you're gonna start generating money on YouTube with 0 subscribers. That is how you're gonna do it. Affiliate products. There's no other way around it. You know, you need to have 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 watch hours before you start making money off YouTube views. Yeah, that's the only way to do it. So start promoting products. Even if you're a channel that can't promote a specific service or specific products, just link your camera gear in the description below. Again, I do that. If you go down into my description, you'll see it. If you want, even just copy and paste my kind of layout of my description, and you kind of bring that over to your channel and start doing the same thing, and you start making money. But I would also recommend putting a disclaimer of that you are making a commission from these links, okay? Just so you let people know you're not being scummy, you're just being genuine and saying, okay, look, I am making a commission from this. I appreciate if you support the channel. Thank you very much. And I thank everyone that has ever purchased anything from my links, because that has helped me generate income online, and it's shown me that it's possible, and it's possible for you. You know, if I can do it with, at the time of recording the video, with only 870 subscribers, you can do it. Okay, so get going, get doing it, start, have fun, enjoy it. It's been your boy Daniel. I hope this video helps. Subscribe to my channel, guys, like the video, and also ask any questions. I'm happy to answer.